Forever in the Dream family.
Hi everyone, my name's Abby and I am with Forever in the Dream. We are due to go on our Disney cruise in just a few days time, and I am yet to finish packing. So I thought I'd pop on and just show you a little bit about what we're taking with us for each of our specialist restaurants, and just a few outfits along the way, bits of sparkle here and there, maybe a few ears. Might need another suitcase for those. And we've got our fish extender and our pixie gifts that we've done too. Yeah, so there's a few hints and tips of things that we've picked up from other people along the way that we will share with you too, but let's get going. So on the ship there is a restaurant called Enchanted Garden. I think that's what it's called. And so we've kind of picked a few outfits that sort of match a little bit of each other's, but keeping ourselves a little bit unique as well too. So Harvey, we bought him this little shorts set. I need to iron it, I know. And shirt set, and it's kind of like a tie-dye, which he absolutely loves. So he thinks he looks pretty cool, and I think he does too. Hubby is going to be, oh actually let's do Chloe's. Chloe's is beautiful. So Chloe got a dress bought for her by her grandma, and it is so pretty. For Enchanted Garden we thought this would be absolutely perfect. All the little patterns on the bottom, and the sort of green matches Harvey's, so they look pretty cute together. Love it. So Daddy Williams is wearing his smart shorts that he normally wears. He's also wearing his very colourful shirt. Love a bit of colour. So he'll be wearing that one, and to sort of match Daddy a little bit, I got a dress which is very, very pretty, and it looks a bit like, I think, Rapunzel-y. Might not be, but I thought it was really nice. Actually got this on Vinted, and it was only like £2, but I absolutely love it. Love the colour. It's got buttons up, and I've got some lovely ears that can go with that. So yeah, that will be for our Enchanted Garden. Can't wait to go there. It looks so beautiful, especially those fountain, and yeah, it looks amazing. So for our Royal Palace day, our visit to the Royal Palace, the boys have chosen to wear blue. So they've gone with just the blue, and Harvey wants to wear his blue shorts to match. He's just got some dark navy blue shorts, and Daddy has chosen to wear a similar blue to Harvey, and same with the dark shorts. Chloe is going to wear, similar to the boys' shorts, a navy blue dress with little puffy arms, and it looks super cute on her. As always, I think all these outfits are going to look absolutely amazing on her. I actually have a dress that I bought when we were in America, and I will be wearing that, and it is this dress. So this is a maxi dress. It's got floral all the way down to the ground. It's quite a long dress, quite a big fluffy long dress, but I thought it was quite pretty and would be quite great to wear on our cruise. So yeah, there's lots of things that we are packing on top of this, just in case the kids don't want to wear those particular outfits, or yeah, something happens to one of them, like they've eaten food and spilled it all over it. Never mind, no. We've also got, sorry, bear with me, because we've got lots of different clothes to have and wear. So Animator's palette. So when we go to Animator's palette, the Daddy and Harvey are wearing matching blue with some accessories there, and Chloe is going to be wearing, she's going to choose because she's umming and ahhing over both these, so she'll either be wearing those shorts under her red dress, which I picked up from Shein, and it's just beautiful red dress, quite smart. It actually makes her look really grown up when she's wearing it, but yeah, don't want her to grow up too quickly. And I am going to be wearing my red dress to kind of match Chloe, just a normal red dress with a bit of a belt. As I say, you've got ears to match, and I do like a little cardigan, a little shrug, so I found this one when we were in America as well, and very pretty, so I'll be wearing that too. So unlike most people who, like, even watching the Finley Adventure recently, they went to Walt Disney World for 2 weeks, and I think they took like 1 or 2 suitcases and not very many clothes. I have packed quite a bit. I will be packing quite a bit because our plan is to have one outfit for kind of the day wear and one outfit for the evening, with a few spares put in just in case. So I have packed probably more than I was expecting to. We've got 2 large suitcases and 1 medium suitcase, and that does include our shoes and our fish extender and a load of ears, which I'm so excited about. I cannot wait to take all these ears on the ship. So I'll show you a few of them now. So these ones are my cruise ears, and I will be wearing those embarkation day. I can't wait. And Chloe has her own ears. Now, Chloe likes the bands, but sometimes she prefers wearing one of these because it stays in her hair better. And these ones are pretty cute too. So she'll be wearing those ones. But yeah, as I say, there's quite a few other sets of ears that you will see throughout our cruise. And yeah, we've actually got 3 boxes full to take with us. So let's watch that space. Okay, moving on slightly. We are a family that quite likes hats, so we have bought some hats for this cruise. There is a few that are upstairs, which I'm not bringing down now. Harvey very much likes his fedoras, so he wants to take those. But while we were in America last time, before even the kids knew we were going on a cruise, we actually picked this up. How cute is that? We picked it up in the character warehouse, and it was only like $6-7, but it's so perfect. So Harvey's desperate to wear that one too. Chloe, on the other hand, we have our mini ones that we bought in America, and these were the 2 that we bought in March when we went, Star and the Mickey one. So they've asked to take quite a few of their hats and sunglasses and bits like that. But if it makes their holiday, I really don't mind. I'd rather take them and they enjoy it. And yeah. While we're on the cruise, it is Daddy Williams's sort of birthday. This is kind of a present for his 40th birthday. Not that he's probably gonna kill me telling you that, but he's 40. So I have bought a few bits to decorate the room, just a kind of happy birthday thing. I tried to buy some bits on the pre-bit. I might try again before we get out there, but they had problems with me trying to get on it and trying to get it booked, so I will try, but I might not be able to. But in the end, I've bought some Star Wars because it'll make it all pretty and decorated, and just a couple of banners. Don't really want to take balloons and things on, but yeah, I'll decorate it as much as I can, and I'll see if I can get some bits to make it extra special. I know there's a few other little things that I can order too, so yeah, I'm sure he'll just like Mickey premium bars, to be fair, if I get room service. Also, while we're on the ship, there is a pirate night, and we will be dressing up for pirate night. So I put in some of our accessories, like hats, and it's quite funny. So Chloe quite likes this little hat. So we've got that little hat. We've got some eye patches. And we got some bandanas. I know that you get some when you go on the ship, but we did get some extra. And also we went to Hobbycraft. And they had loads of their material reduced, like just cuts of their material reduced. So we've bought some material to use as waistbands or bandanas if they want it as a bandana, or you know, just around them to make it more colourful. So we've got some reds. So we've got quite a bit of red material and some green too. But yeah, I thought it'd just be great for the kids just to get involved. They absolutely love dressing up, and while they do at this age, just gonna keep doing it. And we did find some face paints, so we'll see if they want to use those when we're on there too. But yeah, I think it's going to be great fun. I've watched a few vlogs and I'm so excited to do Pirate Night. I'm so excited to experience it, see the shows. It's one of those things that I really want to do, and also see the characters all dressed up too. Yeah, I think it's going to be exciting. Okay, last little bit. I won't be babbling on too much more of that. So as I said before, we have done fish extenders for the cruise. It was arranged by someone on our Facebook group. Basically, I see it as a little bit like Secret Santa, but on a cruise. So you buy gifts for other staterooms that they also reciprocate and just drop them in your door. But also we've done quite a bit of pixie dust too, so the kids were getting really excited about doing pixie dust. So we've kind of done little bags of pixie dust with stickers, sweets, and some of them have got bracelets in, some of them have got sparkly pens. Yeah, and just a few bits to go on the way around. Some that have just got little coins in, little chocolate coins, ready for Pirate Night. And yeah, we're just going to be going around and popping those in people's doors and yeah, dropping a few pixie dusts. We've also done a few key rings, and yeah, we'll be doing that on the way around, which is really, really great. Kids are absolutely looking forward to seeing all these doors decorated, because we've been showing them on the vlogs, people decorating their doors. So we have bought some of our magnets ourselves, which I will wait and show you when we're on the cruise. One thing I did do, and we haven't done ever before, is we've got a couple of Disney lanyards that we got like a while, I think it was quite a while ago, a few years back. Some lanyards we can put our little stateroom keys etc in there. But also, for the first time I haven't done, I'm doing some pin training. So we've got some pins, some pins that we've been collecting that I actually bought on Vinted, and we're going to do a bit of pin trading. But we picked some ones that we thought other people might really like, specifically like Donald Duck and things, as we're on our cruise. So yeah, we're going to try and do our little bit of pin trading while we're on the cruise. So yeah, I think it's going to be quite exciting. The kids are very excited about taking down their lanyards and picking up different ones and trading them with other people. So yeah, can't wait for that. We've also got our fish extender, which is somewhere upstairs, but on them I've got these iron-on patches, which I'll be doing that probably over the weekend when I have a moment. The kids also have little bands. They were given these. These have got, you can put some money in or some sweets in, so yeah, they'll be keeping those. One of the tips that we did find, and we have used throughout our vlogs, is the D-clip. Now the D-clip my husband used quite a lot while we were in Walt Disney World. He used them just to carry around our resort mugs. So you just clip them all on and then you carry it around and you've got all the resort mugs on there. How clever is that? So yes, we've got another new D-clip and we are going to be taking on our resort mugs. It was something that Mummy of 4 Does Disney said about taking on their resort mugs. So we've done that. We've got all of our resort mugs. We've actually got the ones from the 50th as well. So we're going to be taking quite a few different ones on for us to have and share. Other things just like little activity books for the kids. So colouring books. Keep them going. Well, if we end up having a rest in a room, which I'm not really sure we'll do too much of. The autograph books, which we had in Walt Disney World, but we didn't get all of the signatures, so we're hoping to get a few while we're on there. And Daddy's Magic Band Plus. We're going to go and give that a try and see if we can get anything going on with the ship. Yeah, I think that's kind of most of what we've got planned at the moment. If there's anything else I can think of, I'll pop it on the next thing. If not, then I hope this has been okay and you aren't too bored, but we will very much love you to follow along our journey on our Disney Dream Cruise starting on Monday, and we can't wait. We are so excited. So it's our first ever Dream Cruise from Southampton, which is only about half an hour from us, and we are going to be driving to the port and parking in ABP parking for the duration. And we are staying in let me get this right, deluxe family stateroom, I think. But yeah, we will vlog all of that, so you guys will be able to follow along, and yeah, like, subscribe and share, because it really does help our channel grow, and yeah, we really do appreciate it. Thanks so much.